Welcome back, gorgeous mama. Have you been wondering why are even professional athletes using essential oils and other doTERRA products now? If you've been wondering, you found the right video. Hi, I'm Stephanie Calderon. I'm a certified essential oil specialist and a mom to 2 kids that have been teaching people for the past 15 years how to use essential oils. So we're talking Olympic athletes, Orlando Magic, pro golfers, surfers, and so many other athletes have now turn to the power of essential oils for their health. Let's talk about why. Make sure you stick around to the end because I have a free gift that you're going to want to snag. So why are all these professional athletes starting to use essential oils? These are people that literally taking care of their health is their livelihood, and they are figuring out something that you and I can tap into, mama, for ourselves and for our kid athletes. Using essential oils to keep your immune system high, help with your energy, help soothe aches and pains, and so many other things. So what are some of the essential oils that they use? Deep Blue Rub and the Deep Blue Stick is one of the most common. This helps soothe aches and pains in the body in a really convenient way without some of the side effects. And then we've got Peppermint that helps oxidize the cells and give you that jolt of energy. Lavender is another one they use a lot to help soothe and calm their emotions and keep them focused, helping with sleep. We've got Serenity. It is the restful blend, so they get the best night's sleep. On Guard keeps their immune system high and eliminates some of the threats that they potentially could deal with that could affect their immune system. If the top athletes that we've mentioned have harnessed this power, we can too. It's just a matter of learning, and that's what this channel is all about. Make sure you snag your Kids Safe Essential Oil Guide. You will find the link in the description below and pinned to the comments.